Yes, so I wanted to go over how to disable your Google slide from advancing from one screen to the next. So here's my Bitmoji scene, and notice it has three different slides. So I can click on the screen and it goes to the next slide. Well, if you don't want that, you can actually disable it from going from one screen to the next and still keep those slides in your Google slide. I know some of you are creating separate Google separate Google slides for each scene or for each theme. You don't have to. You can do it all in one Google slide and just disable them and stuff. Unless you wanted the different themes. So here I already have them disabled. So in order to disable your slides, um, what you're going to do is you select the slide, you go up to where it says slide, and you it's logging. Then you select skip slide. So you want to select that. So if I unselect it, it will show. But if I select it, then this I symbol with the line through it shows up, and that's like it's invisible. So here's the final product. When you go and refresh and everything, and you go to click, it's not going to go to the next slide. So, and if we can compare, so this one I wanted to show you too. See how it has the bottom navigation? There's a way to get rid of that as well in your HTML code. Um, some other people in the group have been posting about that, and there's a code that you can type in to get rid of that bar so that it looks like that. There's nothing there at all. And I'll actually show that to you guys really quickly. So if you go to edit, and then you go to the HTML editor, it'll load. Okay, come on now. Okay, so we want to click on the HTML editor, and we're going to scroll up to where the code is, and right here. So you're going to look for the number 3000. It might not say 3000, it might be like a bunch of numbers, but it's basically where the URL is. After 3000, you're going to type in ampersand, it's the and sign, AMP, and then colon, or not colon, a semicolon, RM equals minimal. So that's ampersand AMP semicolon RM equals minimal. And I don't think you need to type in AMP semicolon, but because I think it'll automatically just put that in after you press save. But anyway, that's what you're going to type in right after the 3000 or whatever number that's here. Usually it's a 3000, but if you use a slightly different embed, if you use a different embed code, then it will be a little different there. So then you hit save, and it should get rid of that bottom bar